Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I have a lot of things to share with you all. I have some really exciting new products that I got and some of my old favorites that I've repurchased, and I have a few makeup favorites here and there which I have already emptied, so I'm going to share those with you as well. So overall, it's going to be a fun-filled video. So if you're here for the first time, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. Let's get started with the video. So first things first, I shopped a little bit from Tira. I love to shop from their store because they have a lot of different brands and you get to choose from. It's almost like a kid shopping at a toy store. That's how I feel when I shop from a beauty store. So let me show you what I got. So first is this product from Makeup Forever. It's their HD Skin Foundation, and if you are a makeup lover, you already know that this is one of the OG foundations, and the history behind this foundation is like it is used by every professional makeup artist, and it gives you that really beautiful yet natural skin, and it is used by almost every one of the professional makeup artists. They definitely have it in their kit. If you haven't really heard about this, then I do insist that you go to the Tira store, try this one. And I have used this foundation only once in one of my videos, so I have tried this foundation. So whenever you are purchasing a foundation, make sure that you try it, apply it on your skin, and make sure that your shade is correct, because whenever we are online shopping anyway, it's really difficult to find your correct shade. So make sure that if you are shopping offline, then definitely get your shade matched, and there are a lot of people that will help you find your correct shade. So I also got my correct shade, and it is in the shade 2Y20. This is the beautiful packaging. I love that the cap is beige in color, and this is your Makeup Forever HD Skin Professional Paris Foundation, and it says shake before use. So if you are applying any of your foundation, always shake and then apply, and I'm in the shade 2Y20. The best part is it has a pump. When I saw this, I thought I should definitely get my hands on this. So this is one of my first Makeup Forever foundations, and I must say it is really undetectable and stay true foundation, which it truly is. It's really, when you apply it on your skin, you won't even feel like you're wearing any foundation, but still your skin will look super beautiful and natural, and it is perfect if you're going to get some photos or videos. So it's perfect to wear on any of your events or any parties or any wedding functions that you have. Definitely try and get this one. And do you see the beautiful detailing on the cap? I love it. So this is a very long lasting foundation, and it feels super light, and it definitely feels like you're not wearing any foundation. It really merges with your skin. So if you have any important functions that you're going to attend, or if you're looking for investing in a foundation which is very long lasting in the summers, you definitely need to try this because it is very lightweight. This is an expensive one, but it will last you for a very long time. As you know, we don't usually get to finish any of the foundations. So if you have any very important event coming up or any weddings to attend, then definitely go ahead and try this one. The next product which I've got is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So during my wedding, I purchased this, and it was there in my makeup kit, and I used it every day, and I absolutely loved it. Finished it pretty much. Like after that, I was trying various different eyebrow pencils, and if you follow beauty, you know that Benefit is known for their brow products, and I was actually missing out on this one. So this time, like all of my eyebrow pencils I've mostly finished. So today also, like, I used the Etude House brow pencil, but I really was missing this one, so I had to get it. Just look at this beautiful packaging. It is super super stunning, right? You get a spoolie on one end and you get this really thin, as the name suggests, micro brow pencil, and this time I got it in the shade warm black brown. So I'm really thrilled and excited to have it again in my makeup kit because I absolutely love this one. So if I have to suggest you the best brow product I've ever tried, it would definitely be the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. That's how much I love it. Next up is one of my favorite viral mascaras. This product again is from Benefit, is their Bounce Bad Gal Mascara, and when I tell you the packaging itself is so beautiful, you will be intrigued to buy it. Just look at this beautiful packaging. It almost feel like it's a tube packaging, right? And the color, the mauve color, it's super super stunning. I haven't really used this at all, so I did try this mascara in the store and my lashes were looking something else. It was almost like I had applied some false eyelashes. But if you see the wand, it's really different. It's sort of a bent mascara wand, and it will give you both volume and length. And the best part is that it is not a waterproof mascara, so some people don't like to use waterproof mascara because it damages your eyelashes. So this is a washable formula, and so you will definitely see me using this in one of my Instagram reels or here on YouTube Shorts. So comment down below if you want to see it on YouTube as well. This was an absolute must-have mascara, and I really wanted to try it because everyone was using it on the internet, and I didn't want to be left out, so I got my hands on this one. With these three products, I got a free product, which is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This brow gel is the most ultimate long lasting brow gel you will ever use. You might have seen me rave about the brow setter gel like multiple times. So yeah, so overall I got three products from Benefit and one from Makeup Forever. And since I shopped so much, they gave me this beautiful makeup pouch as well. It's a suede type of a red. It's a cute one. It's a small bag. So yeah, this was also something I got for free when I shopped from the Tira store. So these were all the products that I got from Tira, but there are a few more products that I had purchased and I was waiting to show you in the video. These are some of the products which I got from a drugstore. I got the Plum Mandarin and Vitamin C toner. It tightens your pores, boosts glow, and it has Kakadu plum as well, and it's 100% vegan. So this, as the name suggests, it's a toner and it's from Plum. I love Plum's products and I'm really excited to try this one. I will definitely love it. You can use it even if you have sensitive skin. So I'm definitely going to be using this and I'll let you know my thoughts on this. And if you have tried this toner, then let me know if you like it or what are your thoughts about it. Next, I got a face serum. It's from Pilgrim. It's a red wine face serum with peptides and hyaluronic acid. So this is from Pilgrim and I love Pilgrim's products also. I've used their moisturizers and I love their Squalane moisturizer, and I've heard really great things about this serum also, so definitely like. So let's see, I will try it and I'll let you know how it works for me. Look, this is such a beautiful packaging. It's a wine serum. Like it has a face dropper and everything. It's a clear serum. Let me try it. It feels really light, so definitely like it got absorbed into my skin super quickly, so that's a good thing. It says that you will experience youthful skin when you apply this, and it will fight signs of aging. That means it has a little bit of retinol. It will hydrate your skin, nourish your skin, and you need to apply 3 to 5 drops to clean and dry skin before you applying your moisturizer. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this one too. And I restocked on one of my favorite Pilgrim Squalane Glow Moisturizer with niacinamide and vitamin C. This is one of my most used moisturizers from Pilgrim. This has squalane, which hydrates and plumps your skin. It nourishes your skin, so it is best suited for combination to dry or normal skin. So yeah, I'm definitely very excited that I have this again in my skincare routine. I've already talked about this and I've raved about it in my previous videos as well. So if you have been watching me, you know how much I love this particular moisturizer. So yeah, this is one of the repurchases, and I have actually already used like 3 to 4 tubs of this moisturizer, and this is my fifth one. So you know how much I love it. That was all for all the new products that I got, but now I'll be sharing few of the empties that I have from skincare mostly, and a few makeup empties as well here and there. So yeah, let's start with the body lotion. This is from Boroplus. It's their Doodh Kesar body lotion, and it says it gives you 24-hour moisturization. So this was on a great deal actually for buy one get one, and I loved using this, but now it's completely empty. It's a very lightweight, a little bit of fragrance also. If you like a little bit of fragrance in your body lotion, and it will give you definitely a good amount of hydration, and you can even use it in the summer. So definitely, like, this was one of my good purchases. I love trying new body lotions, but this one was also a really great one. So if you want to purchase a good affordable body lotion, definitely you can try this one. Next product is one of my most used nail paint remover, because I love applying nail paints. Today I'm not wearing any nail paint, but I love to apply different nail paints, and I get bored of the same usual nail paint like every 4 to 5 days. So I need a lot of the nail paint remover. So this is one of my favorite nail paint remover. It's from Colorbar. It's the acetone free nail enamel remover. This is one of the most used nail paint remover I've ever used, and this is, I think, my fifth or sixth bottle, and this is completely empty. So it's time to get rid of this one too. And if you are also looking for a good nail paint removal, definitely try this one, and it will last you for super long. And if you are like me, it will last you for so long. Yeah, so yeah, definitely try this one, and you will always get it on discount on Amazon or Myntra. So yeah, next up are two face washes. So one of them is from the Pond's. It's their Pure Detox Mineral Clay Face Mask. It will deep clean, and it has activated charcoal. So I've completely used this one, so know that I love this. It has a bit of fragrance, but if you have oily skin, or even if you have normal skin, you can definitely apply this one. Even if you have dry skin, like, apply this moisturizer and then make sure that you hydrate your skin really well, because it will dry out your skin, but it works as a good clay mask, I must say. Another one of the face masks that I've used up completely is from Himalaya. It's their dark spot clearing turmeric face pack. This one is also a really great one. Because it has turmeric, it will definitely reduce some of the dark spots that you have. So I'm not applying all these face masks at one go. Sometimes when my skin needs a clay mask, when I have clogged pores and I want to just get rid of the dirt and impurities, I will use this clay mask. And sometimes when I want to apply some besan haldi face pack, then this one comes in really handy. You don't have to DIY your own face mask, and you can just simply go ahead and apply this. And I trust Himalaya with all my skincare at least. So as a face pack, this one was really good. And definitely, like, if you have also tried this, then let me know, and if it has worked for you or not, then do let me know in the comments. For the face pack, I also got this face pack from Forest Essentials. It's their neem vernia lip. This one has neem, and again, this is also sort of a mask which will remove the dirt and impurities from your face, and it has neem. so which is very effective if you apply it on your face mask. So I got this mask a really long time ago, but this has lasted me for so long. You don't need too much of this mask, and once you apply it, you will feel this cooling sensation. This mask will not completely dry, so after 10 to 15 minutes you just need to wash it off, and it will give you this super clear. So this is actually an antibacterial face mask, so if you are suffering from acne or oily skin, then this is definitely going to help you so much with it. This is one of the products which I loved using, but now that it's over, I will be trying different face masks from Forest Essentials again. A lot of face masks in this empties video, because I have been using these face masks for months and months now, and they are not emptied so easily, so that's why all of them are at once I'm showing you. But this is also one of my most favorite and one of the most viral face masks. It's the SDEX Secret Indian Healing Clay, and this one also, it's a really huge tub. You get so much product. If you get this one, you are sorted for years and years, because you will not be able to finish it alone. I still have a little bit left here. If you see, it's a green clay powder, and it's super effective. You can apply this face powder, mix in some rose water and apply it as a face pack, and after 10 minutes your skin will be super dry, and it will extract all the dirt and impurities, and you just need to wash it off. So if you have extremely dry skin, then I don't recommend this. But if you are facing some acne, or in the summers, if you want to apply this face mask, apply it and then moisturize your skin really well, because this will make sure that your skin is deeply cleansed. So yeah, this is one of the products which I love, and I will definitely always be having this in my vanity, so I will definitely be repurchasing this one too. Next empty is a cleansing lotion. It's from Nevsoft. This is a face wash that my dermat recommended. This is a very gentle and effective cleansing lotion, and it will not really foam up. It's more like Cetaphil or CeraVe if you have tried those face washes. Currently also, like, I'm using the CeraVe hydrating cleanser, and I'm loving that. So this one I've emptied it completely, so now I'm using the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. So yeah, this one was also really effective, but yeah, this was suggested by my dermat. Next up is a makeup product. It's the Daily Life Forever 52 Professional Complete Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade 003, and I've already emptied 2 of these bottles already, and I have a backup in my vanity, so that shows you how much I love this concealer. And this is an absolutely stunning concealer. It's super creamy and doesn't feel like you're wearing too much under your eyes, and even though it is super light, it will give you stunning coverage. And I love this concealer, so I will definitely always be having this in my makeup kit. Next up is a shocker for me too, because I don't really finish any of my loose setting powders, but this one was so good that I used it completely, and whenever I was doing my makeup, I was gravitating towards this one so much, and I absolutely love this one. It's from K Beauty. It's their HD Loose Banana Powder. If you see, like, I've completely finished it. That shows you like how much I've loved and abused this product. But yeah, this was super light. So if you are looking for a budget friendly, super long lasting, fine loose setting powder, then just trust me on this one and get your hands on the K Beauty loose setting powder, because this is one of the best loose setting powders in the drugstore market at least. So definitely get your hands on this one. So that was all for this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching all of my new purchases and some of the product empties, because this has been pending for so long. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to comment down below which is one of the product you would like to try, and if you have any favorites from all of these products, then do let me know. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It's free, because I see 80% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel. So please help a girl out and subscribe. And that is all for today's video. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.